Now to integrate this expression by partial fractions, first notice that the numerator has a smaller degree than the denominator, so this is a proper fraction, no need for long division. Now to start with, we will try to factorize the denominator. I've already factored out the x, and this quadratic expression can be factorized as well, so we end up with 3 linear factors. Now for the 3 linear factors, we obtain 3 partial fractions as given here. Now remember, if your denominator is linear, your numerator should be 1 degree less, and that is why we get constants in the numerator. So now I'm going to try and add these 3 partial fractions back using a common denominator. So I get a multiplied by 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 plus bx multiplied by x plus 2 plus cx multiplied by 2x minus 1. Now since all these are equal, now I'm going to compare these two. Notice that the denominator is exactly the same, so this means I can equate the two numerators. So I get x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equals to a multiplied by 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 plus bx multiplied by x plus 2 plus cx multiplied by 2x minus 1. Now our job is just to find a, b and c. Now I'm going to let x equal to 0 first. Why 0? So that this expression and this expression become 0. So it becomes very easy to solve. On the left hand side you get minus 1, and on the right hand side replacing x by 0 gives us minus 2a, and so a is half. Next I'm going to let x equal minus 2. So on the left hand side we get 4 minus 1 is equals to, now notice when x is minus 2, this whole expression becomes 0, this expression becomes 0. So what we are left with is just the expression with c. So we have c multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. So this gives us c equals minus 1 over 10. Next we let x equal half. So on the left hand side we have 1 over 4 plus 1 minus 1. This is equals to, okay, this will be 0 now, and this will be 0. So we have b multiplied by half multiplied by 5 over 2. This gives us b equals 1 over 5. So now we have a, b and c, and we can now proceed with the integration now. So we start again, x squared, integral of x squared plus 2x minus 1 over 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x. This was our question earlier. Now we're going to rewrite all this in terms of partial fractions. So we have a over x plus b over 2x minus 1 plus c was minus 1 over 10 over x plus 2. Now I prefer to split this up into individual functions and integrate one by one, as well as we can factor out all the constants here. So we get this. Now we are ready to integrate. So we have 1 over 2 log of x plus 1 over 10 log of 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 10 log of x plus 2 plus c, and that's your answer. Now if you are uncertain about how to integrate this, just use a simple u substitution for 2x minus 1.